Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings, AliShanMao here, and welcome back to my little man cave. Hey, you have been asking for a giveaway, so here is the giveaway contest. We are giving away an SJRC Z5 GPS 5G Wi-Fi FPV drone with 3 batteries. Sitting right here, right next to me, this is the Z5 that you can win by entering this giveaway contest. Now the rules for this contest are very simple, so focus and pay attention to what I'm going to say next, because the better you understand the rules, the better you follow the rules, more chances you have to win this SJRC Z5. So let me lay down the rules for this giveaway contest. Number 1, go to the video description. You will find a link there. Please click the link and you'll be taken to Banggood website. Now go ahead and feel free to buy anything. Remember, each $5 value will give you 1 lottery ticket, and there is no restrictions, no limitation for how much you want to shop. So feel free to make as many orders as you want. The more orders you have, the more lottery tickets you have. The more lottery tickets you have, the more chances you have to win the SJRC Z5. Once you have made an order, do remember to post your order number in the video comments right here. Once again, once you have made a valid order, please post your order number in the video comments below. Your comments will be approved, so do not post again and again. Just post your order number in the video comments only once. If you're entering the contest through my blog post, you can also leave your order number in the comments on the blog post. Don't forget to leave your order number in the blog post or in the video comments right here. This contest will run for 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks we will pick all the valid orders, all the lottery tickets, and draw randomly 1 lucky winner for the SJRC Z5 FPV quadcopter. And yes, do remember, you can also have an extra lottery ticket if you're one of my subscribers of AliShanMao YouTube channel. Now I know you are getting excited and you just want to go down to the video description and click that link and start shopping, earning more lottery tickets. But do remember one thing, that previously such contests, some of the people actually complained that they did make an order but their order was invalid. Now this is a real issue right here. So how to make sure that your order is valid, because we are going to check each order for its validity, and only the valid orders will receive lottery tickets, and only those lottery tickets will be able to enter in the giveaway contest. Now once again, focus how to make sure that your order is actually valid. Well, this is very simple, and an invalid order can be caused by a delay in the network that does not refreshes the cookie that's coming from our link. So once you click the link in the video description and you are on Banggood website, make sure to refresh the page a couple of times. Once again, once you click the link in video description and you go to the Banggood website, before making an order, refresh the page a couple of times, and after that go ahead, go crazy shopping, making orders and earning more and more lottery tickets. Refreshing the page will ensure that all the other cookies are cleaned up and only the cookie that's coming from our link is residing right there in the codes of that page, and that will ensure that you have a valid order. And remember, a valid order means a valid lottery ticket, and valid lottery ticket means you are part of the giveaway contest 100%. This giveaway contest is also posted on my blog post. The links are in video description. So you can basically enter using this video description link, or in my social media post links, or on my blog post links. I'm looking forward to seeing you in this giveaway contest. Looking forward to the lucky winner.